Welcome back to another video. In this video we're getting back to working on this door, and we're going to take this door back off and we're going to cut a little bit more out and try to get it perfect. We want to make sure it's completely perfect all the way across for when we put the cap corner in. And to get it here, we are out of adjustment to adjust it forward. So we are going to, when we have the door off, we're going to cut some slits in the hinges and make more room for it to adjust forward. But I think, I'm not sure, but when we do that, it's going to make us have a problem in the rear where it's already close, but I might be wrong. But we're just going to get this door back off and take it off for the umpteenth time. But catch up with y'all later.
The bottom of a lot. A lot.
How? We didn't touch the bottom.
I made that Hinge some more.
Oh, did you?
Yep.
Yeah, but it needs to come out because the door's stuck in and I can't fucking move. Hot damn, that's getting closer.
I still think you need to cover a little bit right there and try to push that in some more.
So the last part you saw, we got this fitting a lot better. Let me see if it'll focus. But this was way out. But to get it to fit great there, we bent the hinges some more, and now it's not fitting back here. So we're gonna have to go back the other direction, and we're just gonna have to take some more out inside. And here, we're going to take a hammer and dolly and try to come out with this some. But it's fitting great up here now. And here we'll just have to add some TIG rod or something just to fill up this gap. Because these doors never fit great to begin with. But it's nothing that we can't fix. But we got some new hinges, or hinge pins. We ordered them. So I think that's what Dad's gonna work on here in a minute. Getting the old ones knocked off. And then these come with bushings and the original didn't, so we might have to go get a drill bit. I'm not sure if we have that drill bit, but it came with this little directions thing. Either way, we got to drill it out some. And here's where we got it from. But so we got the pins out. This one over here, got it off the truck. It came out easy peasy. I mean, Dad hit it maybe twice. You can see what little damage Dad did to the end of it. If it'll focus. There we go. But it really didn't take much. But this one over here, I don't know what we did with the pin. But right here is part of the head of it. I tried to weld a nut on it and maybe turn it back and forth and maybe work it loose, but that didn't work. We somehow either it was wore that much, or when we were drilling it out, we drilled sideways somehow. Either one was possible, but we got them both out. Got to fix this. It broke when we were literally taking it out of the truck. There's just some spot welds you got to drill loose and take that off, and we're gonna make a template off this one up here and make it so shouldn't be too hard. And I originally said we were going to cut this again, but Dad just wants to wait and see. We still got to clean this up a bunch, but we just haven't welded it. We just want to make sure it's going to fit good. I believe this is going to help some of our situation, because I don't know if you can see in the video, the time lapse, how much this thing wiggled backwards and forwards. But when Dad was working it back and forth, you could just see it walking. So I think that was some of our issue. But we still have to drill these out, either for the new pin or for a bushing. Either way, you got to drill it. In the instructions, it says just to put the new pin in, you need a 21/64 drill bit, or if you put the bushing in, it's a 13/32. So either way, we got to drill it out. And I still got to weld that back up, but I don't know if I'm going to have to bend anymore, so I'm not welding it yet. And this side the same. But that's where we're at right now, and we'll have to go get a drill bit somewhere. None of our drill bits are worth a dime, so we already have a 13/64, I think it was, or 13/32. We've already got it, but we don't have the other one. Yeah, we've already got the 13/32, but we need a 21/64. So we have a million drill bits, but none of them are worth crap. And it should be in here, but apparently we wore it out and threw it away, so we'll have to go find one somewhere. But that's where we're at right now, and I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. So we got them both back on the truck. We didn't put this plate on. We just wanted to get the door back on, just see how the door was looking. I should have videoed it, but it was perfect down here, but up here in the top, it was sticking out. So one day next week, we're gonna hog these holes out some more this way. That's just so we don't have to cut this on this side of this bend. We're hoping to be able to just move the door by hogging these holes out more towards the front. So, but like I showed you earlier, we got the springs in, got the new door pins in. We got there's no springs on the bottom. They're just on the top, it's on both sides. But we'll get a plate made for this that'll look similar to that for the bottom next week sometime. But I gotta weld this. This one's pretty much perfect. I think I'm gonna have to go through and slowly weld this crack back together. Hopefully it won't pull. Most likely it will, but we already bent this one back that way to push the door in. As we said earlier, to bring a door out, you go in towards the cab, and to bring a door in, you go away from the cab. So, but that's what it's looking like so far. Like I said, it was perfect down there, but it's still close all the way around. That's the reason we're trying to bring the door forward. This gap is still pretty big. So, and up here, it's still on the big side, and back here, it is actually touching right through here. So, but I believe that's going to do it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.